YouTube. As you've seen, we did a thing. Here it is. 1986 Skeeter. It's a Skeeter. Got us the Minn Kota foot control trolling motor up front. Spot for my seat. Throw that up there. Already got the sticker on it. That way when you see me on the lake, you know who I am. Oh yeah. 70 horsepower to scoot me across there. The Heaven Rude motor. Got some storage back here. Seat's gonna need cleaned up. She's been sitting all winter. That's actually froze right there. Nice looking seats. Alright, threw a rod up in here. There's the storage bin there. Don't judge. That's probably. I wonder if there's any minnows in there. Frozen for future usage. There's our throwable up there. Got a fire extinguisher. Still good. Got my homemade extendable net here. There's another look at that Minn Kota edge. Storage box up here. Couple life jackets. Got lots of life jackets. Oh. There you go. There's a little tail jig. Okay. No lock on there. That's alright. We don't really need to lock it. I don't know what that's for. Well, that's probably for the light. They got the bow mount light. Yeah, there it is. I was waiting for the lake to get a little less ice on it. We're gonna go give it a try. It came with that seat too. Not sure how well I like that. I have another one in the basement. It's pretty nice. It's you know, more like these seats. I'll probably just put it on and keep. But I'll maybe tote this one around and try it, see if I like it. Never know if you're gonna like it if you don't try it. Oh, that's neat. Flip out cup holder. And flips back in. Keep my cold snacks in there. Got the rod holders. I angled it down like that. There we go. Angled up a little better. Right there. You see that right in there? That's what sells these bass boats. All the shiny. Oh, shiny. Yep, it's cold as shit. It's supposed to be raining. So, you won't see me trying it out in this video. But I just wanted to share it with you so that you guys would have an idea it was here. And it's on the channel, and it will be on the channel. It will be bringing us a lot of good content. The Alumacraft is still here. It hasn't gone anywhere yet. But this gives me an opportunity that in another week when the lake's thawed out, I can get right out there and get fishing. Wow. We still fix up that old Alumacraft. Time will tell. Time will tell. But in the meantime, if anybody's looking, I'm going to get rid of the 12-foot V-John. Has swivel seat in it. 28-pound trolling motor goes with it. Life jacket, a paddle. A little bit more money, maybe I'll throw in that vintage 5.5 horsepower Evinrude Fisherman with it. We shall see. But that's it. This is the update for today. I gotta go to the grocery store and do some other things. I'll hop in here on my new seat cover. So, till next time, have a good one, guys.